whoever is making threads about us and whatnot, we chose this life. We need to take it with a pinch of salt and move on. A lot of people say that she's just plain lazy, she doesn't want to post. You are earning say 1 lakh rupees a month, you will have to give 20%, 20,000 from your pocket. Brands have misused me in the past. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं small talk करके वो मेरा content ले या मेरा photo खींचे. That was not my intention, but that was so condescending person, कि मैं कभी भी transition reels नहीं create. I was against TikTok and look at me now. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you guys can see, I have created this beautiful Cannes makeup look inspired by Kiara Advani. I have tried my best to do the hair, the outfit, the jewelry, the makeup is definitely on point. I am obsessed with how this has turned out. Look at the highlight. But along with that, I'm also going to do like a Q&A based on reality of content creation. If you want to be a content creator right now, how you can start, just like passing on some wisdom to you guys, to the new budding creators. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I have never created a Cannes makeup look on my channel, so this is something new that I'm trying out. I hope you guys like it. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alright, we are up close and personal. I have absolutely nothing on my face right now. I have put my lenses. They are in the shade Hazel from PAC Cosmetics. I know I get a lot of questions about my lenses, so here you go. I also have like a tinted lip balm on my lips. Also, I have done my skincare in the morning. Abhi afternoon ho chuka hai, but let's get started with the first question and let's just like bring some life back to my face. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. primer first. I am not gonna talk a lot about makeup. Sare product आपको यहाँ पे कोने में दिख जाएंगे with like the picture and the name, but also you'll find the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Let's focus on the Q&A and you can see the makeup working in action. 2 pumps. I'm obsessed with this primer because I feel it just makes your makeup last for so long, gives that dewy finish, and also it is silicone free, so it's not gonna break you out. You'll see Evie behind exploring, just don't mind. I have clubbed a lot of questions together, okay? क्योंकि बहुत सारे questions थे, तो जो भी similar लगे उनको बना के हमने एक concoction बना दिया है. But anyways, the first question is how to start the content creation journey, but we don't know what content will work. Now, I'm gonna like give my very honest opinion is that I genuinely like feel a little bad about like right now वाले creators is because अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि सब लोग भेड़ चाल में चल रहे हैं. Especially after reels and shorts were introduced, is because पहले people used to create content because they were passionate. अभी हो रहा है कि मालूम है बहुत पैसा है इसीलिए लोग content creation में घुसना चाहते हैं. So you need to understand कि आप क्यों content creation में घुस रहे हो. And I'm not saying कि पैसे के बारे में मत सोचो. Of course सोचो, but that shouldn't be your first priority. And secondly, what content will work? Honestly, I am not the right person or no content creator can give this answer because अभी सब कुछ बिकता है. Literally, like anything you make, it works. So you need to understand कि आप long term में कौन सा niche you can keep creating. You know what I mean? Which is something that will still give you joy. That's what matters because I feel आपका beginning ही ऐसा होगा कि क्या चल रहा है मैं वही बनाऊंगी या बनाऊंगा. You are not gonna have happiness or like content नहीं feel करोगे आप जब आप content बनाओगे. Wow, did you understand my wordplay there? But you won't feel fulfilled. You know what I mean? And I don't want you to get into content creation for that. So you understand what you want to make and what will give you joy, and then you make sure कि आप ऐसे way में उसको present करो कि वो चलना ही चाहिए. You know what I mean? Coming to the reality is that क्या चल रहा है अभी फिलहाल? Comedy works on short format. I'm talking about comedy works a lot. Roasts and comedy, all of that works because people are genuinely having so much of problems in their lives ki some light-hearted comedy is working. A lot of makeup looks or transitions are working. if you want to get into beauty. Relatable content काफी चल रहा है, ये सब shorts की बात चल रही हूँ. And on long format I feel vlogs and food is like an evergreen era that will never stop being relevant. जैसे YouTube हो गया, you can start with vlogs or food because people do love watching like food challenges and all of that. So yeah, I hope this helped. The second question is, how do you connect with agencies? There are so many agencies now. You can literally connect with absolutely anybody. I personally have not, thought or even felt like going for an agency. I'll tell you why. Is because they ask for around 15 to 20% of your income. So for example, if you are earning say 1 lakh rupees a month, you will have to give 20%, 20,000 from your pocket to the agency. So काफी सारे agencies है, AER है, Air Media, Monk Entertainment, iPlex. There are so many which you can choose. I feel it's a good starter for people who are just starting out, especially if you are like a creator who wants to earn money right away. Maybe after you have like a few thousand followers, you can approach them and get on board with an agency that will give you a lot of brand work and all of that. But मुझे agency में नहीं जाना है is because I am getting enough work because of my name. Are you understanding? Like I don't want somebody else to pitch for me. Every month I do get work because अभी मुझे 8 साल हो गया, so people know me, brands know me. So मैंने इतने personal contacts बना लिए हैं कि मुझे जरूरत नहीं है for work. Okay, for PR, yes, my PR game is not strong. You need to choose your battle कि आप अपना 25% देने के लिए ready हो तो आप जाओ agencies में. But I feel for starters, it's a good thing. If you want exposure, they will get you a lot of brands. You will start earning right away. When I started 2017 में, there was no this concept of onboarding with agencies. मतलब इतने agencies तो थे भी नहीं 2017 में. काफी गिने चुने agencies थे and they also were not onboarding everybody and anybody. So that's a good thing now that you can get on board with agencies and start earning right away, but at the cost of that 20-25%. So you need to choose your battle. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about makeup. So if you guys can see, she has like really beautiful brushed up eyebrows and it's like a smoky brown eye with a hint of pink on the lid. So first let's do the brows, and for that I'm gonna do like my brow lamination thing. I have already made a video on how I do that model brow look, so you can watch this shorts and you will know. तो मैं ज़्यादा अभी बात नहीं करूँगी. I have bought a new brow gel by Anastasia which I got from Tira Beauty. Beautiful brow gel. It holds your eyebrows in place for hours. That NARS concealer, oh my god, I have no idea why I never came across that shade. It's beautiful. You have to get your hands on the NARS concealer, you guys. Anyways, let's move on to the next question. It is, how can I approach brands for collaboration, set up barter deals and negotiate effectively? I'm a very bad person to answer this question, but I will tell you. मेरी team है, ठीक है? So पहले I used to do everything on my own when I started. So I can understand how overwhelming it can be. तो बाटर डील्स आप उनके साथ करो जो आपको लगता है कि आपको बहुत पसंद है वो ब्रांड और काफ़ी बड़ा है, तो यू आर गोना गेट एक्सपोजर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. तो यू कैन आस्क फॉर लाइक अ कोलैब रील, सो योर content will be posted on their social media. तो उसके हिसाब से अगर वो डील क्रैक हो रही है तो barter is fine. Only if you are starting out and you have not established yourself, and you want to be put on the map, then barters में जाओ. रहा सवाल about negotiation. If you are on board with an agency, you have a manager who will do that on your behalf. But अगर आप खुद कर रहे हो तो make sure that negotiation के चक्कर में आपके हाथ से वो brand ना निकल जाए. Like I understand that brands do take your advantage, but start out जब आप करते हो तब थोड़ा you have to थोड़ा be submissive. Do make your contacts, work your way around, and once you know कि okay, now I am a credible person, then you can ask for more money. But always be humble, you guys, because I know so many creators agencies के through मेरे को पता चलता है कि they are just so rude to the brands. I get it, because देखो brands and creators are coexisting at this point. Literally सिर्फ YouTube से पैसा नहीं आता है, फिर सिर्फ Instagram से पैसा तो आता ही नहीं है अभी तक इंडिया में. So it's the brands which are helping us sustain. So brands also need to respect creators and creators need to respect brands. It goes both ways. So yeah, just find a middle ground, negotiate जितना आपको लगता है कि अरे बाबा इतना नेगोशिएट करके तो कि I'll break if I make this much negotiation. You know what I mean? Like you can bend but not break. I hope it's making sense. And for me, Sahil handles my financial stuff. I have a videographer, I have an editor. I have 2 editors actually. One is for long format, one is for short format, and I have like them on freelance basis. So you pay them according to the projects that they do with you. And Sahil manages and cracks my deals. I get the mails, and जो भी brand I'm interested in, उनको मैं साहिल का contact दे देती हूँ. He cracks the deals. So yeah, that's how I negotiate. I mean, he negotiates because I was that gullible person. I literally would be okay with anything. Brands have misused me in the past so bad, like literally they have पूरा निचोड़ दिया था मेरे को. Like बहुत सारे deliverables करवाते थे मेरे से in very less money. So now I don't do that. So yeah. Okay, Kiara's base looks very like glowy. Okay, so since we have added that glowy base, that's gonna help us. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier foundation for this. And I'm gonna do a very light layer because I don't think there's like much to cover apart from this pigmentation. So मैं बहुत कम foundation use करने वाली हूँ. And I'm gonna use a brush first. Alright, this is how my foundation looks like. Obsessed with it. Moving on to a very nice question. Why did most creators stop long format videos? I don't think a lot of people have stopped, but yes, the quantity has gone down because everybody had like schedules and nobody really posts that much unless and until you are a vlogger. I'll tell you why is because things have changed. Like when I started my journey as a YouTuber, I used to love watching makeup tutorials, product empties, monthly favorites, this, that. Abhi koi wo dekhta hi nahi hai. Like that was 2017 when I started, so that was that era. Jab Zoella thi and all of that. Yeah, that was the YouTube game basically. So people have stopped that because abhi wo chalta nahi hai. Unless and until it's a vlog, travel vlog, koi wedding proposal or ya fir prank, ye sab hi abhi chal raha hai long format mein. तो इसीलिए beauty creators you will see posting less content. मुझे बाकी लोगों का नहीं मालूम, but beauty creators have stopped, you know, making long format tutorials, long format product empties and all of that. Once in a while ठीक है, but majority अभी Instagram पे ही हो रहा है कि product recommendations. Reels have taken over, reels and shorts. इसीलिए people have stopped long format, and I feel I was that person, you know, कि मैं कभी भी transition reels नहीं create. I was against TikTok, and look at me now. I am making lip syncing videos and transition videos, and I am not ashamed of it. Is because everybody rather is allowed to change their opinions, and everybody should adapt to the new situations. And it's not just content creation. I'm saying in general in life you need to adapt. If you don't, फिर dinosaur जैसे मर जाएंगे सब लोग. You have to adapt. मतलब survival of the fittest, right? So अभी वो reels में चल रहा था तो वो करना पड़ा. Because ये मेरी रोटी रोजी है, and I will probably do everything to make sure that my roti rozi is safe. You know, so you can't have egos here. You can change your opinions. You are allowed to do it as long as you are not hurting somebody deliberately. It's okay. So yeah, that's why most creators have stopped long format. It's sad, but I am still trying कि मैं कभी-कभी बीच में एक long format haul डाल दूँ या फिर you know this that ऐसा कुछ तो. But yeah, that is why we don't post long format much. Next question is very nice. It's like related to this कि quality or quantity, the process or results. For me, a lot of people call me lazy. A lot of people say that you know, she's just plain lazy. She doesn't want to post. I am playing smart. People don't understand this, but I am. Is because I know that long formats are not working, and I'm very regular on my reels. My reach is very nice. Even if my followers are not increasing, if you see every reel is having around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh views. Okay, जो I am not gonna boast, but this is because of you guys. Maufam, मैंने ऐसी community बनाई है जो genuinely मेरे साथ engage करती है. So I believe in smart work. तो मुझे मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे जो मेरा पहला शेड्यूल था मुझे वो नहीं वापस करना है. मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई हैव अ यू नो टीम नाउ एंड आई कैन डू इट, बट आई चूज नॉट टू बिकॉज आई फील जब तक क्वालिटी नहीं है मुझे क्वांटिटी से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. येस, शॉर्ट्स वो आपको क्वांटिटी में डालने पड़ेंगे जो मैं कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे शॉर्ट्स जा रहा है. मोरमाओ पे आई वांट टू गेट रेगुलर, बट वो हो नहीं पा रहा है. आई एम फाइंडिंग माई नीश व्हाट टू पोस्ट ऑन मोरमाओ. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्लान्स ऑलरेडी, बट एनीवेज मानसी माओ पे इफ यू सी आई एम पोस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ शॉर्ट्स. आई एम एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग experimenting with the editing and whatnot. So shorts pe quantity yes, but long format I am okay with not posting a lot of videos. I know you guys really want me to, so I am gonna come to a middle ground, but what I'm trying to say is ki I know my consistency and I have chosen that consistency. It's not because I'm lazy or whatever. I am strategically doing it because I know what is getting me money, I know what is getting me reach, so I strategically plan my channel. And a lot of big creators, they don't post every day. Bhuvan Bam ko dekh lo, koi bhi dekh lo, like Sophia, the one who used to mix every lipstick and all of that, Sophia Nygaard, she also doesn't post every month. Literally she posts like every 2 months or something. So that is gonna happen. The more you grow, the more years you spend on platforms, you need to find your way. Some people do post every week and they are wanting to do that, so every creator has its choice. I feel the next question is work life balance. एक पूछा है मुझे question, मैं वो अभी पहले ले रही हूँ, मैं बाद में लेने वाली थी. Is because work life balance maintain मुझे करना है. I am 27 years old. I don't want to burn myself out to a point where I can't give time to my mom, dad, I can't give time to my partner, my dog, my friends. I don't want to be that person who just, you know, engrosses herself in work just to meet that Monday, Wednesday, Friday or whatever the schedule is and have shit quality time with their loved ones. My dad is 65 years old. I have chosen my battle. I want to go home early, be with my parents, be with my dog, spend time with my partner and all of that. So it depends. You choose your battles. Sometimes I will do series. December सीरीज अपन करते हैं व्लॉग में, या फिर बर्थडे सीरीज करते हैं, तब मैं बैक टू बैक वीडियोस डालती हूँ. बेसिकली आई हैव स्पोकन अ लॉट. व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी का, कि आप अपना बैटल चूज करो. ऑल्सो यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ लाइफस्टाइल यू वांट टू लीड. एंड थर्ड, यू डिसाइड कि आपको चाहिए क्या. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव गॉटन इन टू दिस बिजनेस, मतलब आपको 9 to 5 या फिर कन्वेंशनल जॉब नहीं करना था इसीलिए, राइट? तो अगर आप खुद के मालिक हो, आप खुद का बॉस हो, तो वाई वुड यू मेक योर सेल्फ स्लॉग टू अ पॉइंट वेर यू बर्न योर सेल्फ आउट? यू नो, आई हैव अ डिफरेंट टेक ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आई नो पीपल आर probably not gonna understand this, but you get this freedom after years. This behavior will not work if you are starting out. So whoever is watching me want to become a creator and you are just starting out, you have to post every week. मैं Monday, Wednesday, Friday रोज YouTube वीडियो डालती थी for almost 3 years. That's when I got visibility. So you know, ये behavior, this privilege you will get after years and years of being in the industry. So yeah. Alright, the base eye is done. Can you guys see the brown smokiness with like a little bit of hints of pink? Her lower lash line is also pretty heavy. Like she has done a lot of brown work. So we're gonna do the same. Next question is very spicy. Do creators fake their personalities online? And can you share a funny insider story with a fellow creator? Discuss any friendship clashes and explain if brands fake creators to attend events. So like बहुत सारे questions club किए इसमें. Fake personalities online, yes. And I don't mean it in a malicious way. I feel a lot of girls and boys are not comfortable with their own skin, own personality, own character. They are worried because अभी internet बहुत जल्दी offend हो जाता है. You know, like even I have, you know, taken myself aback. I don't really share my personal stuff anymore. I keep it very low key. Vlogs में भी मैं ज़्यादा कुछ इतना personal चीज़ें नहीं बताती हूँ. Is because people do get offended a lot, especially after COVID. सबका थोड़ा threshold कम हो गया है, tolerance कम हो गया है. So I understand why people have to fake their personalities. So yeah, I mean, to each their own. I don't. If I don't feel like shooting, I don't shoot. If I don't feel like coming on the camera, I don't, because that's how it should be. Can you share a funny insider story with a fellow creator? Okay, I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm feeling gutsy today, so I'm gonna share. So अभी recently एक event हुआ था. I won't take the event's name, so otherwise you will understand. Event में ना themes होते हैं, ठीक है? तो वो theme थोड़ा game वाली theme थी, ठीक है? वहाँ पे games थे and all of that. So and this is not from, like, this is not one of my fraternity, okay? This creator has never come on my channel or on my Instagram also. I have never hung out with that creator because मैं जल्दी पहुंच गई थी creators वो event में. तो मेरा जो भी bits लेने थे मुझे product के, मैंने ले लिया था. I was just like hanging out in that area and Ashi Alfia somewhere else they were, and so I go up to this creator, because I've met this creator for a few times, and she is a Mao-Fam member apparently. That is what she claimed when I met her in another event few years ago, 1.5 years ago, and she was like, oh, I'm a big fan, I loved your videos and this that and this that. So I was like, nice, chalo, good. And she's also a creator, so she gets invites to these events. She was standing there, so I said hi bye. हमारा hi bye मतलब होता रहे. So I just asked her कि did you play this game, like how was it, and is it nice? You know what she said to me? She said, do you want me to take your content? You don't have to beat around the bush. I genuinely wanted to do like small talk. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं small talk करके वो मेरा content ले या मेरा photo खींचे. That was not my intention, but that was so condescending. Bro, I was taken aback. I was like, भलाई का तो ज़माना ही नहीं है, because she was standing alone. So I just went up to her and I was like, hi, how was the, like, you know, did you play the games and all? She's like, do you want me to take your content? Don't worry, don't beat around the bush. I'll take your pictures. And I'm like, bro, I did my pictures. I'll be back. And I just took like a U-turn and I left. मतलब ज़रूरत नहीं थी, like why are you like this? Like I'm sure she must be having like a bad day on that day, but bro, like was it needed, honestly? Like the eyeshadow work is pretty good. Right now, let's just bring back some color to the face. I am going to use a drugstore bronzer, which is by Rimmel, and I'm just going to like lightly contour. Okay, continuing with the question is discuss any friendship clashes and explain if brands pay creators to attend the event. Friendship clashes मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि why is that not normal to have clashes between creators? Like creators are also normal girls and boys, right? So like आपके भी तो झगड़े होते ही होंगे अपने दोस्तों में, तो हमारे भी होते हैं. Like it's not, मतलब I don't know उसको इतना बड़ा proportion में क्यों लिया जाता है. Like sometimes people have rough patches with creators, like they are friends and creator friends, and then they make up and like it's fine. I understand from where you are coming, because we are in the public eye, so you know we post about our friendship online. तो अगर नहीं post कर रहे तो लोगों को speculation हो जाता है, understand. But yeah, let's just treat creators as normal people, just like normal girlfriends and boyfriends, and how they have fights, we also have fights. We are just as normal as everybody is. So yeah, we do have clashes. And this question, oh my god, कि brands पैसा देते हैं क्या event के लिए? No, you guys, like you have no idea how much us creators spend for cabs. You have no idea, because यहाँ से lower परेल जाना literally costs me around 1300-1400 one way. ट्रैफिक होगा तो भूल ही जाओ. So around 2500 तो हमारा cabs में जाता है, because सारे इवेंट सोबो साइड होते हैं. मैं सोबो नहीं हूँ, साउथ बॉम्बे. उसमें खाना नहीं होता है तो भी फिंगर फूड होता है. So after that creators end up going, like friends end up going to a restaurant and eating. वहाँ पे कुछ बिल आ जाता है. So yes, it is expensive. Like I feel मेरे जितने भी fraternity के लोग हैं या मेरे around age के जो लोग हैं, nobody gets paid. I don't know about like big creators. उनका क्या सीन है, लाइक जो एकदम एस्टेब्लिश्ड क्रिएटर्स है उनका क्या सीन है अभी. आई डोंट नो इफ दे गेट पेड, बट एज लॉन्ग एज आई नो आई हैव नेवर सीन एनी क्रिएटर गेटिंग पेड फॉर इवेंट्स. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ PR activity. It's like building the relationship with the brand. We work with the brand for the product, right? We don't know the brand team as such. We know the agencies. So CEOs आते हैं, उनसे हम बातें करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक शेयर करते हैं. जिनको पीना होता है वो लोग दारू पीते हैं, बिकॉज अल्कोहल होता ही है. सो या दैट्स हाउ द इवेंट्स आर. ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है, nobody gets paid. Yeah, but if there are events like अभी वो जो लैक्मे लूमी का हुआ था, जो लैवेंडर थीम था, जिसके लिए मैंने ना बोला बिकॉज ईवी को पीरियड्स थे, उसका पूरा एक्सपेंस इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. लाइक ऐसा बड़ा कोई इवेंट होता है या फिर बड़ा कोई कैंपेन होता है तो दे टेक केयर ऑफ द एक्सपेंसेस. बट अदरवाइज ये जो नॉर्मल अर्बन डीके का इवेंट था या फिर क्लिनिक का होता है, अभी कॉडली का होने वाला है, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज नॉट पेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू यू कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड एंड हैप्पी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा व्हेन यू आरंट डूइंग गुड in personal life and dealing with negative comments. There's one more question, is that people do talk negatively on other platforms. What is your take on it? I am honestly so lucky that I don't have toxic community. I was telling my assistant the other day only about this, that I am so lucky and blessed to have MauFam. It's one of the, I know every creator says that, but I feel my community is one of the best because they have never given, they have always accepted me with my flaws, with my tears, with my smiles, with my opinions. They have never ever made me feel guilty about anything. Okay, so I'm very lucky in that I have never faced the hate जितना लोग एक्चुअल में करते हैं. आई एम लकी, टचवुड. रहा सवाल अबाउट पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉल्स थिंग्स अबाउट मी और एनीबडी ऑन द अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स. सी वी चोज दिस लाइफ. Come on, like whoever is making threads about us and whatnot, we chose this life. We need to take it with a pinch of salt and move on because that doesn't change my truth. मैं जब घर पे जाके सोती हूँ, when I meet my parents, when I स्टूडियो से मैं घर जाती हूँ, I know my parents know me. I know my parents know I'm a good person. My partner knows I'm a good person. My friends know I'm a good person. That's enough because what I show on camera is literally 20% of my life. People probably don't know what I have been through yesterday or like 2 hours prior and I'm still making a video, right? It's fine. I mean, we chose this life. We wanted to be in the public eye. So it's okay. I mean, that's just a part and parcel of this industry. And raha sawal about how I'm so chill about it, no, it used to shred me to pieces कि oh shit, मैंने मेरे बारे में ये आर्टिकल में अभी लिख दिया है, ये बन गया है, मेरे बारे में कम्युनिटी में ये बात चल रही है. I used to feel bad. I still feel bad, but I don't let it ruin my day. First, that thought will stay in my mind and I wouldn't sleep for days. But अभी वैसा नहीं है. Thank God, 8 years down the line, I have developed a thick skin. And you need to take everything with a pinch of salt in life, in general. Even if you're not a creator, can't be that person who feels bad about everything. I do feel bad about everything. I am that sensitive person. I'm still that person. It's just that I don't show it to people. You know what I mean? And I make it a point कि हाँ भाई, आज रो लिया इसके बारे में, मूव ऑन. कल से नहीं रोना ये चीज़ के बारे में. यू हैव टू मूव ऑन एंड बी लाइक कि जो हो गया वो हो गया. बी इन द प्रेजेंट. Be happy, be grateful about stuff that you have which you didn't have. So yeah, that's how you should just move on. And how do you keep yourself motivated and happy in front of the camera? One thing that I love about myself is that when I'm not feeling like it, I don't come on camera. I have literally told the brands ki I'm not feeling well, I cannot shoot it, I will submit one day later, and people have understood because I feel you need to draw boundaries somewhere. You can't burn yourself out and keep smiling and fake smiles. I know people like it ki arey fake it till you make it. I have a different opinion on it at this point. Is like sometimes you can't fake it till you make it, you know, like you can't keep on doing that. It's so bad for your health. आगे जाके आपको इतना बर्नआउट फील होगा ना. एंड मैं सिर्फ क्रिएटर्स की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं जनरली बात कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको नहीं फील हो रहा है ठीक से, अगर आपके पास वो लिबर्टी है, प्रिविलेज है टू जस्ट टेक अ फ्यू आवर्स और अ डे ऑफ, प्लीज डू दैट. सो आई डोंट फिल्म ऑन दोज डेज. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू lately, that I will only come in front of the camera when I feel like it and I can spread happiness because people are having so much problems in their lives. I don't want to come on camera and बताओ मेरा रोना धोना. Unless and until it's something that is going to add value to people's life, then of course I will. But I don't want to come and, you know, make a video just for the sake of it. So yeah, that's how I choose my battle. Okay, let's do some highlighting because I think Kiara, if you see in the picture, it has like a really nice highlight, but it's not that chunky, glittery highlight. So I'm gonna use this K Beauty highlighter. It's really nice. You need only this much amount. Can you see the bling? Okay, so if you see in the picture, she has like a really nice muted pink glossy lip. So I have a lot of options. It's very difficult to recreate lips because इतना सारा editing होता है, lighting different होता है. So I don't know. I'm just gonna try my best. Don't mind my hair. मैंने आज wash करना था but मैंने नहीं किया because मुझे वो bun बनाना है. But ठीक है. I'm using the Huda Beauty lip liner. It's a nice mauve. Can you see? Which is matching this pink shade. ज़्यादा dark नहीं करना है मुझे. And then I'm gonna use this Fenty gloss. Yeah, it's exactly like hers. Good job, Mau. Alright, I have done the hair. I'm not really happy with it, but trust me, I suck at hair. But the makeup is so on point. I'm obsessed with how this is looking like. And no, there is no filter on this video. My skin is looking this flawless because of the products that I have used. You have to check them out. They are linked in the description box below. I have borrowed this corset from my assistant and it's clearly not fitting me. You have to watch my vlog to see मैंने पीछे क्या जुगाड़ किया हुआ है, but these gloves I already had, and jewelry is definitely not what she has worn, but I feel I have done justice as much as possible. Let me know if you guys have loved this. But we're gonna take one last question and then we'll call it a day. So the last question is, don't you feel content creation comes with an age limit? Hell yes, of course it comes with an age limit. If you have started out as a teenager, like I'm not saying that if you are old you can't start a YouTube channel. There are beautiful elderly people who are creating content, okay, so they have become content creator at that age. So वो हिसाब से age limit नहीं है. You can start whenever you want, but I feel when you start early, as you age your content also shifts because your audience also grows with you, right? Like few years ago my demographics, मेरा age was 18 to 25. Now it is 18 to 35, right? 18 to 24 था, अभी 18 to वो 35 हो चुका है. So older women are also watching my videos. पहले मैं एकदम मेकअप और स्किन केयर वो सब बनाती थी. अभी I have got a dog, तो मैं dog का वीडियो बना रही हूँ. अभी whenever I get married I'll start making those videos. So yeah, I mean whenever I start a family I will have those videos. So yeah, I mean your age limit is there. Your content also changes according to your age, but I don't know what is the age limit. मतलब कब तक ये चलेगा, because there are creators, जैसे मुंबई का निखिल हो गया, he's still creating content and he's going strong. So yeah, I feel age limit होता है. I just don't know what that limit is. As long as you can adapt, you will survive. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below, and I'll see you next time. Also, I really want to know your feedback on this kind of a makeup look or this kind of a video style. If you like the backdrop, I am open to all your suggestions, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.